Alrighty guys, here's something different for you today. We're going to be doing a little discing on this old 50, I think it's a 55 or 56 Allis Chalmer CA. Yeah, I'm not very good at it. Ain't done it very many times, but that's what we're going to do. Let's see what happens. Well, alrighty guys, there's the end results. Went over it, I think, twice in first gear, then made a couple more passes over it in second. Old Allis Chalmer don't do too bad for what it is. The disc I was pulling, it's a 8-foot disc. It's actually for Allis Chalmer's WD-45, but it's hard to find the snap couplers for those tractors. So when Papa got it, he took two gangs on the outside, two sets of discs off of the outside of each set of gangs on it. So now I think it's a 6-foot disc, and the tractor pulls it pretty good. When it first started, it's all at once in first. Then after you get it cut up, it pulls it better in second. A little more finicky, but all in all, can't complain. It's ready to be planted now. Till next time, guys, y'all have a good one.